Good day, everyone. Today we're going to replace the engine air filter on a Saturn Ion. Now, this one is a Fram. I'm not endorsing it. I just wanted to show you the fact that it says you should replace it every 12,000 miles to 20,000 kilometers. That's really variable. It depends on conditions. If you're in really bad, dusty conditions, it's going to be much earlier. If you're in ideal conditions, like always snowing and, very clean air, it'll go much longer. But for this one, the number on it is 9603, which is probably a generic number for whatever brand you're getting. It's probably going to be that same 9603. But that's what it looks like out of the box, and we're going to put it in from beginning to end. So stick around. You might not be aware of where your hood opener is on your car, but it's right down here in the corner, driver's side. Just pull up on it. Okay, we have the hood opened up, and if you put your hand back in here, you'll be able to find the little lever right at the front here. Push it to the right, and you lift the hood up. You'll see right here, this holds the hood up. So we'll put this up here. That, and we're good to go. So this is the air box on the Saturn Ion, and there's 4 clips down here. So if your hands are strong, you might need to use a screwdriver, but they're just spring-loaded clips. So there's 1, 2, 3, and is there one more? Is that it? No, that's it. So just 1, 2, 3. So just set that aside, and all you do is you pull this out carefully. This one doesn't look too bad, but it's been in there for quite some time. So let me go get the new one. And here's our new one. It does have an edge here, so just make sure it's sitting nice all the way around and it fits properly. So it feels good. Then all you have to do, take this, and there's some tabs. You might not be able to see it. Maybe if you come over here, D, and look closer down here. There's little tabs here that fit into these holes. So you kind of have to angle it down, get those little plastic tabs in there. And it's, just make sure they're all in. Not sure if this back one is in. Okay, so those all look good. If you can't see them that well, just feel with your finger. You should feel those tabs. They should be in those little holes of the air box. And then basically all you need to do, so these are the tabs that we undid. And I know this one, last time I changed it, this one really caused me trouble. These ones will go on probably easy. You have to have strong hands to do this. There. And that guy. And this one's difficult because it's hidden behind this stuff. So just hang on, keep the camera there. You may find you need a screwdriver and get way back behind this metal clip. Just have to get this in the right spot. There we go. Alright, so that was a bit of a pain, but it's on there good. Just check around the edges and voila, it's done. But my videos are all reality. I mean, people make these AI videos now, or they're, pros and they've done this a million times. I'm a real person and I do real things, so sometimes you run into difficulties. Anyways, thanks for watching the video. I hope this was helpful. Take care, have a great day. Give a thumbs up.
Double thumbs up.